Welcome to weekly view on markets. Nifty has closed at 17,786 on Friday, recording a gain of 1.2% for this week. Bank Nifty has closed at 40,990 with a gain of 0.51%. Midcap index closed at 31,003 with a gain of 1.01%. Small cap index closed at 9673 with a gain of 1.46%. India VIX is at 15.92 and volatility index has cooled off by more than 7% during this week. There was broad- broad-based buying in the market during this week, and as per our expectation of previous week, the market has continued its uptrend during this week. Let us look at different sectors. Most of the sectors performed well during this week and ended in green. PSU banks continued their positive momentum and recorded a gain of more than 5% for this week. Auto sector gained about 4%. Oil and gas sector gained more than 3%. Energy companies, that is power generating companies, gained more than 2%. There was buying in infrastructure sector also with a gain of 2.9%. Sectors like information technology, FMCG, and media lagged the market during this week and ended marginally in the red. Now let us look at Nifty chart. This is daily chart of Nifty. The Nifty has faced resistance at higher levels, that is at around 17,700 to 800 level, and we have seen selling pressure from the top. But also we have seen buy on dips. Whenever Nifty is coming down, we are seeing buying also. So by looking at the chart, we can see that support is at around 17,600 and Nifty has resistance at around 18,000. So for a meaningful up move, the Nifty has to close above 18,000. Then we'll see a strong momentum in the Nifty in the coming weeks. Now let us look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty has closed at 40,990. As we can see, it is near all-time high and facing strong resistance at around 41,000. Whenever Bank Nifty is going around 41,000, it is seeing the selling pressure. So Bank Nifty has to sustain about 41,500. Then it will see a quick up move from there. Bank Nifty has support at around 40,500 and resistance at around 41,000. Now let us look at Nifty Midcap Index. Midcap Index is trading between 30,000 and 31,000 and facing some resistance at around 31,200 levels. So this range has to be taken off when Nifty crosses 31,250 level. We'll see up move in Nifty mid cap index also. Now let us look at Nifty small cap index. Nifty small cap index has been consolidating between 9,500 and around 9,700 level for past few weeks. The small cap index has to take out around 9,700 levels. After that only we will see positive momentum in the small cap. European commercial banks, that is ECB, has raised the interest rate by 75 basis points during this week. There is a Fed meeting in US in the coming week, that is next week. So market will await the outcome of Fed meeting and will react to that. RBI also has called a special MPC meeting to discuss inflation on 3rd November. So outcome of this meeting also will play its part on the market during next week. The RBI has announced that Forex reserves at the end of this week is at 525 billion US dollar, which is a quite comfortable position for RBI. Dollar index touched a high of 114 in the previous week, and it has come down to 109 during this week. Accordingly, we have seen Indian national rupee, that is INR, crossing 83, and after that it has started coming down and closed at 82.45 against dollar on Friday. Crude is hovering around 90 to 95 level and closed at $94 per barrel. So these all factors indicate some kind of macroeconomic stability for Indian markets. Russia-Ukraine conflict has seen some escalation in the previous week. Now, this conflict is likely to see de-escalation in the coming months due to severe winter months. It will be very hard conditions on the ground to continue with the war activities during winter months. So I expect the war to de-escalate in the coming months. Indian markets is likely to test new high before the end of this year. We have seen strong earning growth from the companies. The results for Q2 have been good, and we have seen good festival demand and sales for various sectors. And this good sales and demand is going to play its part in the Q3 results. So the company's earnings in December quarter results will be much better than the September quarter results. So hence I expect the markets to keep the uptrend, and markets will touch all-time high before the end of this year. This is all for this week. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Give your comments on the video. Like the video. We will meet again next week.